channel, and it's me again, Liah Kate, and for today's video, magko-conceal tayo ng mga dark areas ng aking face. And then, I'm gonna review this concealer, which this, as of now, my favorite, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 25 Medium. Okay, last time, I also went to MAC store and I bought this Prep and Prime. I was just curious kung ano bang meron tong MAC Prep and Prime na to, or MAC Fix Plus na tinatawag ng mga tao or ng mga YouTubers or ng mga celebrities. Because nakita ko sila nag-spray-spray ng ganyan. So, I just want to know kung ano yung nabibigay nitong benefit sa aking skin. Sabi kasi, this one is also for hydrating and at the same time, mas kumakapit daw yung makeup. So, meron na rin naman akong ginagamit na hydrating cream. If you want to know kung anong hydrating cream yung ginagamit ko, I'm gonna link down below. Okay? And then, I'm trying this. Oh, lakas maka-YouTuber nito. Bango siya, guys. Maliit lang pala yung binili ko kasi I just want to try it. This is 30 ml. And this is around, I think, 650 pesos. So this Fit Me Concealer, it comes with a doe foot applicator, which I like. Okay, so when you conceal, katulad niyan, ito meron akong mga dark areas dyan and some discoloration around my eye area. Tapos may mga mangilang-ilang blemishes. So, kapag gusto nyo mag-conceal, guys, ang kailangan nyo is one shade darker of your skin tone para talagang makonceal niya ng tama yung mga kailangan nyong i-correct. Kasi kapag gumamit kayo ng one shade lighter, it will highlight also yung mga blemishes na meron kayo. So, kung gusto nyo naman ng may brightening effect, I suggest na one shade lighter yung bilhin nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo i-correct yung kulay ng skin or i-conceal yung mga bagay-bagay dyan sa mukha nyo, again, one shade darker. Tapos, uunahin yung maglagay ng concealer bago kayo mag-foundation. So, I have my bare skin. Naglagay lang ako ng MAC Fix Plus. And then, I'm gonna put in the concealer and test this out if this is good and if it's working good. So, I'm just applying onting-onti lang. Okay, this is just one lid. And I'm gonna test this kung hanggang saan ang kaya nito. I'm gonna use my beauty sponge. So guys, meron siyang thick consistency. And it dries matte. So para siyang nagpa-powder. Ang bilis niya mag-set sa skin. So I think kailangan mabilisan to. So mabilis siya mag-dry up. What I did is just one layer, and if you still want to conceal and you're not yet satisfied dun sa coverage nito, you can still put another one and try it on kung magiging okay siya sa inyo. Depende na yan sa inyo. Pero I suggest na mas maganda, mas manipis lang yung ilalagay nyo. And since dito manipis lang din yung nilagay ko kanina, mag-a-add lang ako ng konti. And then, I'll just put yung mga may redness ng onte. Tapos ito, mga red spots. Syempre yung ilong natin. Guys, manipis lang ha. Mas madali kasi magdagdag kaysa magbawas. So, manipis-nipis lang yung ilalagay niyong concealer para hindi siya mag-cake pag naglagay kayo ng foundation. Meron ako ditong pimples. So guys, as you can see, nag-level up na yung skin ko. Nakonsin niya yung dark areas and some discoloration around my face and some blemishes I have in my face as well. Yung mga pimples ko, natakpan naman niya so far. So good dito sa itsura ng camera and sa personal. So, I'm gonna finish the rest of my foundation and see if okay din siya pagka pinatungan ng foundation. So guys, ito na yung mukha ko ng may foundation and I have some comments regarding this Fit Me concealer and so far so good na tatakpan niya yung mga discoloration around my eye area and some blemishes, redness na meron ako sa face. And guys, nung nag-apply ako ng foundation, hindi siya kumapit or hindi siya nag-smudge or anything. Nag-stay lang siya in place and I like that for a concealer. That's what a concealer should be. At dapat hindi siya kumakalat pag naglagay kayo ng foundation. This one is good. Okay, from its price na $249. This is way better or beyond my expectations ng concealer because I have high-end concealers that also works. And this one, I can compare this to a high-end concealer. So guys, that's it for today. And I hope you do like my video. So please hit the thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. And please, huwag niyo na rin kalimutan i-click yung ring button dyan so you'll get notified for my next video. And guys, see you again for my next video.